Hey everyone, welcome back to Hello VS TV. Today we are diving into our second review of these Innoview's latest portable monitors, focusing on their new 18-inch model that promises to revolutionize your gaming and multimedia experience. If you follow my posts on social media, you might already know that I am a fan of having multiple screens while working on music production. With this new 18-inch model, I am curious to see how it will fit into my setup, because portable monitors play a crucial role in today's world of plugins, and the second screen is essential. So let's unbox this and explore the details of this 18-inch portable screen. First up, the 180Hz ultra-high refresh rate is a game changer for gamers. Whether you are connecting it to your PlayStation 5, Switch or Xbox, you will notice a significant improvement in smoothness and lag-free performance compared to other monitors. This provides a competitive edge in fast-paced games. This monitor also includes 7 modes which you can easily switch from the OSD menu, allowing you to tailor your gaming experience to various scenarios. Now let's talk about the display quality. With a 2K high-definition resolution, every detail is crystal clear. The 18-inch screen offers a larger view without sacrificing portability, making it perfect for gamers on the go or professionals needing a secondary screen. The monitor features a 100% sRGB white color gamut, ensuring vibrant and accurate colors. Additionally, the 16:10 aspect ratio provides more vertical screen space compared to the conventional 16:9 ratio, allowing you to see more content at once. Great for multitasking. For mounting options, this monitor includes a VESA hole 75mm by 75mm and supports 3 installation methods. You can place it directly on your desktop with an adjustable bracket, use a mechanical arm for a VESA mount, or hang it up with a bracket to save desktop space. This versatility lets you set it up exactly how you like. A quick note: the monitor requires separate power. Without it, you might experience flickering and reduced brightness due to insufficient power supply. So be sure to plug it into a dedicated power source for optimal performance. Overall, this portable monitor is packed with great features, and what I love most is the size of the screen. Although this model does not feature a touch screen, but I hope the company will consider creating a touch screen version of this 18-inch model with 4K resolution. That will make it ideal for music producers, video editors, and other creators. That's all for today's review. To learn more about this product, check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews from Hello VS TV. See you in the next video.